Learn English to Gujarati. Balancing process 2.
कार्यप्रणाली मॉडेल.
Welcome, brave word juggler. You are about to learn some very serious words in a not so serious way. Don't worry, we'll make them stick without turning your brain into office soup. Today you will meet 8 powerful English words and their Gujarati partners. We start with balancing process, which is
तोलमोल प्रक्रिया.
then comes evaluation matrix, or
मूल्यांकन मैट्रिक्स.
you will also learn decision logic,
निर्णय तर्क.
prioritization criterion,
प्राथमिकता मापदंड.
course of action,
कार्य विकल्प.
package of measures,
पगलांनो समूह.
target hierarchy,
लक्ष्य श्रेणीक्रम.
and mechanism model.
कार्यप्रणाली मॉडेल.
Yes, these are big words. But you? Bigger. The meeting nobody wanted. Let's throw all the words into one dramatic office scene. Luckily, no real meeting invitation will be sent to you. The boss entered the room and said, "Before we decide, we need a balancing process." In Gujarati, that is.
तोलमोल प्रक्रिया.
Everyone nodded like wise owls with laptops. Then the intern rolled in a giant chart and whispered, "I brought the evaluation matrix." That is.
मूल्यांकन मैट्रिक्स.
Suddenly the project looked less like chaos and more like organized chaos. The software engineer added, "Our app already uses decision logic."
निर्णय तर्क.
Which is a fancy way of saying the computer is trying very hard not to make embarrassing choices. The project manager raised one finger and said, "First, define the prioritization criterion."
प्राथमिकता मापदंड.
Cost? Safety? Speed? Free snacks? Probably not free snacks. Probably. After much sighing, the team agreed on a course of action.
कार्य विकल्प.
One person suggested hiding under the table, but that was not selected. Because one step was not enough, they created a package of measures.
पगलांनो समूह.
It included training, funding, rules, and at least one spreadsheet nobody wanted to open. To keep the project clear, they built a target hierarchy.
लक्ष्य श्रेणीक्रम.
Small goals went below, big goals above, and panic was placed in a separate folder. Finally, the scientist on the team explained the mechanism model.
कार्यप्रणाली मॉडेल.
Everyone pretended to understand immediately. You, however, actually do. Word spotlight. Now you'll hear each word clearly with a quick meaning. This is your friendly moment of calm before the quiz tries to act important. Balancing process means comparing different sides before deciding. In Gujarati.
तोलमोल प्रक्रिया.
Imagine mental scales going up and down. Evaluation matrix means a grid or table used for judging by criteria. In Gujarati.
मूल्यांकन मैट्रिक्स.
Think rows, columns, and fair scoring. Decision logic means the reasoning or rules behind a choice. In Gujarati.
निर्णय तर्क.
Think of a flowchart wearing glasses. Prioritization criterion means the standard used to rank what matters first. In Gujarati.
प्राथमिकता मापदंड.
Think safety first, cost second, drama last. Course of action means a possible way to act. In Gujarati.
कार्य विकल्प.
Think of paths at a crossroads. Package of measures means several actions grouped together to solve a problem. In Gujarati.
पगलांनो समूह.
Think toolbox, not toothpick. Target hierarchy means goals arranged by level or importance. In Gujarati.
लक्ष्य श्रेणीक्रम.
Think ladder of goals. Mechanism model means a model showing how something works. In Gujarati.
कार्यप्रणाली मॉडेल.
Think gears, arrows, and smart-looking diagrams. Mini dialogues. Listen to these tiny conversations and steal them shamelessly for practice. That is called efficient learning, not vocabulary theft. A. How will we decide fairly? B. First, we need a.
तोलमोल प्रक्रिया.
A. How will they grade the project? B. With a.
मूल्यांकन मैट्रिक्स.
A. Why did the app choose that option? B. It's.
निर्णय तर्क.
Led it there. A. What matters most, speed or safety? B. That depends on our.
प्राथमिकता मापदंड.
A. So what do we do now? B. We choose a.
कार्य विकल्प.
A. One solution is not enough. B. Right, we need a.
पगलांनो समूह.
A. These goals are all mixed up. B. Let's build a.
लक्ष्य श्रेणीक्रम.
A. How does the system actually work? B. Look at the
कार्यप्रणाली मॉडेल.
funny memory hooks. Now let's make the words memorable. If the image is slightly ridiculous, perfect. Your memory loves weird stuff. 4.
तोलमोल प्रक्रिया.
Imagine a chef using giant golden scales to decide between 1 chili and 100 chilies. 4.
मूल्यांकन मैट्रिक्स.
Picture a superhero judging sandwiches by crunch, cheese symmetry, and dramatic presentation. 4.
निर्णय तर्क.
Imagine a toaster becoming a philosopher and explaining breakfast choices with pure logic. 4.
प्राथमिकता मापदंड.
Picture a robot refusing to sort snacks until you give it the official ranking rule. 4.
कार्य विकल्प.
Imagine 3 glowing doors in front of you, and one of them leads to success while another leads to more meetings. 4.
पगलानो समूह.
See a giant toolbox falling from the sky because one tiny tool was clearly not enough. 4.
लक्ष्य श्रेणीक्रम.
Imagine coffee cups lined up by strategic importance in a very serious office. 4.
कार्यप्रणाली मॉडेल.
Picture a robot that refuses to dance until someone shows it the correct diagram. Rapid recall challenge. Time for a quick test. No stress. If you miss one, just try again and pretend it was a dramatic pause for style. What is the Gujarati term for balancing process?
तोलमोल प्रक्रिया.
What is the Gujarati term for evaluation matrix?
मूल्यांकन मैट्रिक्स.
What is the Gujarati term for decision logic?
निर्णय तर्क.
What is the Gujarati term for prioritization criterion?
प्राथमिकता मापदंड.
What is the Gujarati term for course of action?
कार्य विकल्प.
What is the Gujarati term for package of measures?
पगलानो समूह.
What is the Gujarati term for target hierarchy?
लक्ष्य श्रेणीक्रम.
What is the Gujarati term for mechanism model?
कार्यप्रणाली मॉडेल.
Build your own smart sentence. Now you do the heavy lifting. Don't panic, it's vocabulary lifting, not furniture lifting. Say, we need a balancing process before the decision. Then add Gujarati.
तोलमोल प्रक्रिया.
Say, the teacher used an evaluation matrix. Then add Gujarati.
मूल्यांकन मैट्रिक्स.
Say, the software uses decision logic. Then add Gujarati.
निर्णय तर्क.
Say, safety is our main prioritization criterion. Then add Gujarati.
प्राथमिकता मापदंड.
Say, this is the safest course of action. Then add Gujarati.
कार्य विकल्प.
Say, the city announced a package of measures. Then add Gujarati.
पगलानो समूह.
Say, we need a clear target hierarchy. Then add Gujarati.
लक्ष्य श्रेणीक्रम.
Say, the scientist explained the mechanism model. Then add Gujarati.
कार्यप्रणाली मॉडेल.
Friendly conclusion. You did it. You survived advanced vocabulary with dignity, humor, and only a small amount of imaginary office drama. Today you practiced balancing process.
तोलमोल प्रक्रिया.
Evaluation matrix.
मूल्यांकन मैट्रिक्स.
Decision logic.
निर्णय तर्क.
Prioritization criterion.
प्राथमिकता मापदंड.
Course of action.
कार्य विकल्प.
Package of measures.
पगलानो समूह.
Target hierarchy.
लक्ष्य श्रेणीक्रम.
And mechanism model.
कार्यप्रणाली मॉडेल.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, repeat the words out loud, and come back soon so these Gujarati words start feeling like old friends instead of formal meeting guests.